In this video, I will show you how to view a learner's profile and explain what information it contains. To get started, go to the Manage Learners and Teams sections and select a learner from the list. This opens the learner's profile window. At the top, you'll see the learner's name and email. If the learner has uploaded a photo, it will also be displayed here. Below that, you'll find information about the learner's progress. You can view their progress as a percentage, see the number of courses and lessons available to the learner, and check how many certificates they have received. By clicking on the arrow, you can see detailed information on which courses the learner has completed and when each certificate was awarded. You can also see the total time the learner has spent in the academy. The next section provides information about teams. Here you'll see all teams the learner is part of. By clicking on the name team, you can go to its settings to view the course available to that team and the learners assigned to it. If you want to add the learner to another team or view information about all teams in the academy, click Manage Teams. Further down, there is a list of properties and variables associated with the learner. Below that, you'll see the date of the learner's registrations in the academy and information about their country of residence. If you hover over the window icon, you can also see details about the device the learner used to log in. You'll also have access to the learner's login history. Additionally, you have options to hide the learners from statistics and restrict their access to the academy. On the right side of the profile, you'll see information about the courses the learner has completed in the academy. Expediting courses provide detailed information about the learner's performance in that course and related teams. To view the learner's test results, click Open Results for detailed breakdown of their responses. You can also export the learner progress. To do this, click the three dots icon, then select the rep type you need: progress by quizzes, courses progress, or expert learner variables. In this menu, you can edit the learner's name or delete these learners from the academy by pressing the corresponding buttons. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.